conjugated, right? Tina, by adding this suffix here. All right. So let's form a sentence with any of those verbs.
Okay. I go to class every Saturday.
I don't go to class every Saturday.
Okay, Ronnie.
Ñüdün tinya.
When you say it's you
Ñüdün tinya.
who goes to class, how do you put that together?
Ñüdün tinya.
Huh?
No,
No, yourself. I.
Oh.
I am the one that goes to class, so I go to class.
Neighbor.
No, we utilize the example.
Okay.
We're using that sample.
Ñüdün tinya.
Okay. Ñüdün tina. Oh, you want to say I
go to class every
go
Saturday.
to class every Saturday?
Yes.
Can I make my sentence in Garifuna?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna translate
Let's do
that.
that one first.
Yeah, when you're done with that.
Yeah. Okay. How do we put this together, Ronnie?
Samudio.
No.
Oh, ñüdün tinya.
Start with the verb, right?
Ñüdün tinya.
Escuela.
Good luck, Frankie.
Yeah, I grew up saying la escuela. I grew up saying la escuela. It's correct to say la escuela, but we need to know that it comes from escuela in Spanish.
Right.
So therefore, Luba Frende was adopted. So when you're saying it, you don't sound Spanish.
Right.
You know? But it's still correct to say la escuela. Ñüdün tina?
Luba Furendra.
Luba Frende is the house of learning.
Yeah.
It's school. Luba Frende.
Luba Frende.
But when you say to the house of learning,
Luba Fure. No. To the house.
remember the word his house?
Yeah.
Anybody, his house. But they say the word his house.
No.
At his house.
Buba.
Lubian.
Lubian.
Oh man.
Yeah. Okay? So Lubian,
Luba Furende.
Frende,
Luba Furende.
every Saturday.
Sagu.
Is everybody with me?
Yes.
Sagu Samudi.
Sagu,
Sagu Samudi.
Samudi. Sumutu.
Ñüdün
Ñüdün
tinya.
tina,
Lubian.
Lubian,
Lubian.
Frende, Sagu, Samudi. Now here's a word that means something else too. Sagu.
Sack.
What does sagu mean?
Sack. Every.
Huh?
Sack.
What is sack?
Saco.
Costal.
What about sayu?
Yeah.
Oh, it says,
Some people call it sag. Costal. Bag.
Oh.
bad.
You know? But some people mention it this way. Somewhat.
Sack.
Yeah. They come from English, right? Even in Spanish too. Saco.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, sumutu. Ñüdün tina,
Ñüdün tinya.
Lubia Frende.
Lubian friend.
Mama ñüdün tinya. Arufadate. Ñüdün tinya.
Oh, Ñüdün tina.
Yes.
Okay.
Paying attention.
I gotta pay more attention from now on. Ñüdün tina,
Ñüdün
Ñüdün
tinya.
tina.
Lubia
Lubian
Frende,
friend.
Sagu, Samudi. Sarita. Jose Roberto, you're not pronouncing, you're not repeating. Rito? Okay, let's do one more time.
Do it.
Ñüdün tina,
Ñüdün tinya.
Lubia Frende,
Friend.
Sagu, Samudi. Bravo, Rito. Okay. Good. Another one, Mingo.
Ñüdün tina aburaha
Ñüdün.
nafataha.
Ñüdün tina
aburaha
aburaha
lunapadaha.
lu nafadaha. Okay. Sumutu. Ñüdün tina aburaha
Buraha.
lu nafadaha. Now, if this is nafadaha, this is a verb. What's the verb? What's the infinitive verb here, Donnie?
Afada.
Yeah.
Is that correct, Michelle?
Yes.
Good. Afadaha, right? Can you find the verb here, you?
Yeah.
Afadaha. What does the N stand for?
I.
I.
I, right? It's a possessive word, right? And then it also has an N additional here. Nafadaha. That's the nasal N, right? What does afadaha mean?
Does that mean drum? Is that referring to drum? Is that referring to drum?
Well, it could be used, but in this case, I'm using it to build a roof.
Now, can you please answer her? Does it refer to drum?
No.
No, I don't think so. It doesn't refer to drum in any known way.
You think of
Yeah.
Afara.
Afara.
Yeah, I'm thinking something that he's beating, so I was translating to he's going to take up his beating instrument. So for some reason I thought it was coming to me.
Guys,
Yes.
it's
Yeah,
Afara.
yeah, sure. I know how to play drum.
Okay, let's start with the verb, right? We have two verbs here.
Yeah.
Ñüdün tina,
Actually, you have three.
and then, yeah.
That's a heck of a sentence.
Okay, ñüdün tina,
Ñüdün
what does it
tina.
mean?
I go.
I go.
What does aburaha mean? Is this a noun, verb, or what?
It's a verb.
It's a verb.
It's a verb. Aburaha. What does aburaha mean?
Aburaha, the translation means to go cut palm 3 leaves, split them, and bring them.
And bring them, right?
Aburaha.
No. Bringing is a
Yes.
different verb.
No. I'm saying what the one word means.
One word only means
That
go
one,
on, cut the leaves.
cut and split them.
Okay. And then,
Part of the aburaha.
So
and
that,
then
And
prepare.
bring them.
How do you call a
Have them
chawaragua?
ready.
A chawaragua is mean
Yeah,
when they bring the manakas home.
Yeah, you could add it to it, but it would be redundant.
Okay. Okay.
So-
The noun aburahani means when you go up on that palm tree
Yeah.
and cut. The act of cutting those leaves.
And I split
palm
the
leaves.
into
Yeah.
each one.
Abohalil. That's a different action though.
No, but it's part of aburahani.
Yeah. Okay. If you put it under that concept.
Right. That's what I put it on that concept.
But each one of the steps has a name. That's what I want to say. But now everybody understand what aburaha mean?
yes.
Cut leaves.
Cut and split.
To go up and get the material that the people use for roof. The Garina will use for roof of their homes. To go and get that,
Palm
they call it aburaha. To go and cut it, right from the leaf, from the palm tree.
Okay.
Now,
Actually, to go and cut it and have it ready.
Cut and prepare.
Yeah, cut and prepare.
okay. You know the origin of this word means to descombrar. That's what it means. How will you translate that into English?
Descombrar. What is that?
Yeah, when you go and remove a lot of things from one place.
You go and disassemble. Dismantle.
Dismantle. Yeah.
Dismantle.
Similar, some very close. Dismantelation stuff.
Yeah.
That that's what very close to what the meaning of aburahani. But that is what we do to the palm leaf. That's what we do to the palm tree. Therefore, we adapt that name for that specifically.
Yes, and the Garinagu people only use it for that purpose.
Yep.
That I know.
Yep. But if you find in other cultures you find other things that means exactly the same.
Yeah, it could be applied to
That,
others.
yeah. Just like the name of the computer, right? Fancy, huh? Okay, and then we already discussed. So what does this mean?
I go to cut off and prepare.
No, we cannot use two verbs here. It's only use one.
Okay.
One meaning only so far.
Okay, I'll prepare.
Cut.
I go to cut
Yeah.
the roof. No. I'll find out.
This word aburaha, in the concept Nico's using it here, means to cut the material
Cut.
for
The roof. So,
Roof, for roofing.
to set his roof.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's a verb right there.
Afadaha. The word afadaha means to put the roof on a house. And also means, but the real meaning is to put things together.
Arch.
To patch also, but to stock up things is also afadaha. Afadaha, when you put one thing on top of another. When you put your effort together, afada guagada, afadaha. When you put two things together, aduna guagada, afada guagada, afadaha. The act of doing it is afadaha.
So what would be the proper way to translate that sentence?
No, the concept here is that I go to cut the material for me to install the roof.
That's the concept, but what would be the correct way to translate it? That's what I'm asking.
That's the only translation for this.
Okay.
Yeah, because we go for what he means, right?
Right.
And what is used in the Garifuna community. Yeah. Okay? So I go to cut the palm leaves for installing my roof. Okay? Another example now with Ebuga. Anybody? One at a time, please.
One of the kids.
Cheryl, we need some help.
Give us a sentence with walk.
Okay.
Like I
Okay.
walk.
Ebuga is to walk.
Make up one for us.
Let's say,
She's making one up for us.
be a little louder, Sarita.
Come on, Sarita.
Where do you walk? I walk to.
Oh, he has one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I walk home every day. Okay, you have one?
Say
Tell
it.
me. Say it.
Where do you walk to?
Huh? You walk home every day? Okay.
From school?
How do you put that in Garifuna? I walk
I walk
home every day.
Neighborhood.
You know, when you are saying this,